Song request coming for you. It was requested that I do a song for Danielle Wampler and Angela Wampler. And so anyways, I hope y'all like this song I'm about to do. And I will tell you in just a second who it was requested by. Requested by John Wampler, their brother. And so anyways, I really do hope y'all like this song I'm about to do for you. Where we only keep it popping right here off an old back road of 41. And so anyways, I have got this song. And so anyways, it's hopefully going to be a humdinger doozer. And so anyways, let's see right here. So anyways, I hope y'all like this song. Y'all keep it locked in and tuned in right here for more of your songs to come down this old back road. Wow. The back road Gucci mine. MerlDog Dog. Angela and her cat Diego. Yeah. Then Danielle and her dog Joker. Yeah. I didn't say Stroker, I said Joker. Yeah. Yeah. That's what I'm saying right here. Blow off a back road. Off a back road. Yeah. Yeah. Diego. Name is Diego. But he's not Dora's brother. His nickname is Ego. But he's not a waffle. Angela rescued him as an abused stray kitten last year. He protects her when she sleeps by walking her and her husband by waking them up. JJ up when a mouse got into the bed one night. Diego and JJ turned up and Diego flushed the mouse out of hiding, and JJ threw a sandal at it and knocked it out. LOL, they didn't kill the mouse, no. They just put it outside. He goes crazy one day, single every month, and attacks Angela and bites her for no reason. But she still loves him, and he makes her so happy. Blow, bling, block, blow. Yeah. Danielle and Joker. Danielle loves Joker so much. It's crazy. He's a 12-year-old pit bull that she has had since he was a puppy for 12 years. He disappeared a few weeks ago for 4 days, and Danielle was so upset. It was pitiful. Her and her friends organized a search party for him, and seriously, like 20 people were all out volunteering their time to find Joker, 'cause everyone loves him. He's just so cool and sweet and laid back and relaxed. Anyway, they don't find him until the 4th day, when they found him down an old back road trying to do a little bumping and grinding with someone else's little female dog that was probably young enough to be his granddaughter. He's old, but he's like the toughest dog ever. He's been through so much. For years they loved him, blow, blow, like they still do. Blow, blow, blow. constantly going and harassing the horses, that dog, until they would kick him so hard he would go flying 20 feet in the air. 20 feet in the air. And be so hurt he could barely walk for weeks. But as soon as he was healed up, he would go and do it all over again. All over again. Do it all over again. Even though he probably got kicked 100 times, he's been run over a bunch of times. He's been shot, been in more fights, blah, 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 than Muhammad Ali, blah, bling. He's still alive. He's living a long, full life, and he's lived a long life. Yeah, I just said that. Yeah, I really did. Yeah. They love their dogs. They love their dogs and their cats. And they're really, really out here up off a back road. Back road stunt. They're really, really out here. They're really, really out here. Back road stunting with their dogs and the cats. Blah, blah, blah. They're really, really out here stunting. Up off their back road. They're chilling with their daddy. On the police department, ain't gonna get nothing past him when them radios go. He's gonna go to buzzing down the back road. Whoop, 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 whoop. Yeah, let's go. Blow, blow, bling, block. These two ladies keeping it real. Up off the back road, they stunting. Blow, bling, block. They doing it big with their dogs and their cats off the back road. Blow, bling, block. They love them animals. Yeah, they keeping it real, taking care of their animals. They real trill up off a back road, and this is real trill music. This is real stuff happening off a back road. Blow, bling, blow, block. Off a back road, requested by their brother, blow, bling, block, yo, blow. Y'all keep it locked in, tuned in. For more of your songs come down this old back road of 41. Stay tuned, blow, bling, block.